Exceptional, fantastic facilities, people and service. Can't fault a single thing about this place. Family friendly and romantic. Huge property with a lot to do. The hotel with so many fun things to do, we can stay on property all day. Highly recommended and will come back in the future. A memorable and exciting experience. For travelers seeking the best in the Mount Fuji area, select Bessho Sasa Onsen. We stayed in the Fukuchiya room with a beautiful view of Mount Fuji while soaking in your private in-room onsen on your terrace. The meals are delicious and expertly presented. The staff are so attentive to our needs and share their Japanese spirit of omotenashi. You must stay for at least 2 nights to fully experience Bessho Sasa, an amazing gem near Mount Fuji. Expensive but totally worth it. From the moment we arrived we felt pampered by Japanese hospitality. After 5 days in Tokyo full of people, this was the perfect place to decompress. Hiroko, our hostess, took care of us all night, and the 10-course koneski dinner in our room after a dip in our own private onsen overlooking Mount Fuji was the pinnacle of luxury as we recoaxed in our robes and kimonos. The food was fresh and beautifully presented, and the Kobe beef was super tasty along with the sashimi and dessert. Along with your experience comes access to the club lounge with 24 hours snacks and drinks. The blood orange and peach juice was divine along with the peach wine. We checked out the tea service with matcha and a sakura suite in the peaceful and beautiful Japanese garden. The staff was amazing and gracious. Hiroko even bowed to us. She told us she worked there for 25 years after coming initially for 1 year. She never wanted to leave. We were in awe of her gracefulness and hospitality. All the staff were professional and the hotel is immaculate. You can get fitted for a kimono, watch a Japanese drum performance and sample as many of the 35+ wines as you want from the wine bar at night. Breakfast in the morning is delicious and we dipped in the onsen before leaving. Get the room with private onsen, so worth it, and comes with free drinks and snacks, coffee, Japanese toiletries, rain shower and pajamas. Would love to come back one day. This place is 11/10. Try and stay to enjoy the area if you can for 2 days. Was too short as we only had 1. It's magical, exceptional. Great facilities, enough things to keep you occupied. Away from the lake, but who cares since it is more peaceful and you get such a good view of Mount Fuji. 100% worth it. It was costly and I don't regret a penny of it. Every aspect of our stay was exceptional. Would return to Japan just for this hotel. My young daughter and I had an amazing time. The facility is beautiful. The rooftop open-air bath is breathtaking. The staff is welcoming and happy to help. I want to come experience the garden in every season. Not to mention that view of my Fuji cannot be beat. Thank you so much for the wonderful stay. Amazing. Wife and I stayed here after 6 nights in Tokyo and it was the ultimate relaxation experience. Highly recommend booking a room with a private onsen, but we also used the main hotel facilities, and they were great, pretty quiet and empty most of the time. Hopefully we will be back to Japan in the future and would definitely stay here again. Experiences and service were both 11/10. Memorable and luxurious retreat. We absolutely loved our stay. The hotel, service, and endless amenities were incredible. It's a bit sad that we only stayed for 1 night, as there was so much to do in so little time. The view of Mount Fuji from our room and various parts of the hotel was simply breathtaking and definitely one of the highlights. The tea experience and in-room dining were also unforgettable, making our stay even more special. We had access to lounges for drinks and snacks and enjoyed a great spread for breakfast as well, which was delicious. The hotel is perfect for relaxing and unwinding, with incredibly attentive staff and excellent service throughout. We also had a fun time with the drum show and bingo event hosted by the hotel. Highly recommend for anyone looking for a peaceful, memorable retreat. Best and memorable place. I just love this place. I just wish I stayed longer. I will be back definitely. It's the best. Exceptional nice resort with friendly staff. I enjoyed the stay so much.